Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to Science Classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will learn about semi-technical description of a flowering plant. So, in this chapter, you'll be taught about, I think, three families of angiosperms, and you will have to write semi-technical description, which means that you don't need to write all the details about every character of the plant. Rather, you have to write certain key features in telegraphic language, or in the language of short text message, you can say. So that sort of description is called semi-technical description, and this starts with habitat. So in habitat you will write where does the plant live, in which type of environment it proliferates. After that, you have to write the vegetative characters of the plant. So whether the plant is perennial or not, is it a woody plant, or it's a shrub, or it's a herb. Okay. Then you will have to write the floral characters, because floral characters, they give majority of the clues about the family. Okay. Now while writing the floral character, you need to learn to write the floral formula, because once you can remember the floral formula, it becomes very easy to write the description of a particular family of angiosperm. So here is a floral diagram, and this is the floral formula. So here are some symbols. So there is a symbol with a plus sign inside a circle. This means actinomorphic flower. Actinomorphic flower means that the flower is having a radial symmetry. So we can divide the flower in two equal halves through any axis. If there is a percentage sign, it means that the flower is zygomorphic, which means the flower is irregular, or it does not have symmetry. Okay. BR means a bracteate flower. So a flower with bract is called a bracteate flower. So for example, flower of banana, the whole outer shell, leaf-like shell of the banana flower is a bract. Or in case of bougainvillea, the colorful leaves which appear like flowers, they are bracts. In fact, they are not flowers. Okay. If it's a male flower, then it is represented by the symbol for male, and this is the symbol for female flower, and this is the symbol for bisexual flower. K stands for calyx, C stands for corolla, A stands for androecium, G stands for gynoecium. And if the floral parts, they are fused, then you have to show fusion by putting the numbers inside brackets. So here 2 inside bracket means, so whatever is the number of ovary, they are fused. They are not independent. They are not free. If you need to show adhesion, then you have to make a line above the symbol of 2 parts which are attached to each other. So for example, if in a flower, if androecium is epipetalous, that means if androecium is attached to the petals, then you will have to write like this, C and A, and there is a line above C and A, which means that androecium is attached to the petals. The superior G is shown by a line below the symbol of gynoecium, and inferior gynoecium is shown by a line above the symbol of gynoecium. Okay. Now, this is a floral diagram. Different parts they are shown by different symbols. So the outermost whorl is calyx, then followed by corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. And this dot, it shows the position of mother axis in relation to flower. So let us try to decipher this symbol and this floral formula. So this is an actinomorphic flower. So you can divide it into 2 halves from any plane. Okay. This is a bisexual flower. So male parts and female parts both are present. Calyx is 2 plus 2. So there are 2 whorls. Outer whorl has 2 sepals, and inner whorl, it has 2 sepals. So these 2 are outermost, these 2 are inner whorls of the sepals. C4 means there are 4 petals in corolla. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 2 plus 4 means that there are two whorls of stamens, and the outermost whorl has 2 stamens, and the inner whorl has 4 stamens. So these are the 2, and these are the 4 stamens. Gynoecium is superior, and 2 is written in bracket, which means that ovaries, they are fused. So there are 2 ovaries, they are fused, they are not free. This is the floral diagram of the family Brassicaceae. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.